Why not, man? I had high hopes he was going to be in it.
Mom on camera, have you met him?
Yeah, he's got more cameras than me.
He's never in them though.
Right, so what we're doing, we got these Zero Plus and these are lights we got flashing. And we got to diagnose that. Anyway, let's reset and what's happening. Same shit, same old again. Same old. Condenser's clogged up in.
Isn't this the problem every time?
So we also got a leak here, yeah? Water.
I didn't even notice the leak.
Where's the leak coming from, Dad?
Somewhere there. There's a leak. Okay.
Yeah.
On the
It's so much fun. Yeah.
So they touch you for the whole income. You can't see that renting amount.
Now, if you rent it as a whole, I don't know fully what it is, but if you rent it as a whole, it's different. If you rent it separately, it's different rooms.
So if you rent it as a whole, right?
Right, guys. If you guys got a broken up boiler in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, will repair all your favorite boilers from Biasi, Worcester Bosch, Vaillant, and many more. We also do commercial boilers. We also repair, not just repair, we also do offer Landlord Gas Safety Certificates and boiler servicing. So if your boiler is broken down, it's winter time and you need us ASAP, give us a call. We'll sort it out for you. Right, this boiler, right, they called me up and they said we got no hot water or heating. So I reset it, the boiler fired up, but it wouldn't stay on. So, and I could hear some gurgling noises on it. Obviously, I knew what it was. These fluid recuperators, right, they do clog up. It's a common fault, unfortunately, on these boilers. So hopefully, we're going to clean it out, and that should hopefully sort it out. Who's here?
What was that sound? What's bad? What's happened?
Oh, who's arrived to the house, or are you talking about who's in the boiler?
No, who's come? People come. We got more guests. You're all okay now.
Muted in
YouTube, you know. I'm getting really complain.
Get the head camera.
I've got it.
What, the glasses ones? Have you seen the metal ones?
But they do not make nowhere near as good.
Get that case in there.
To buy that.
Get that case in there. You can put it on your head. And
Oh, I suppose.
Oh no, these ones have the extension cases with a proper camera.
Right,
You
then.
see them? These phones.
This is the water that's come out of it. And the carry bag underneath when I drained it. It's nice and clean at least. Oh.
You know, surprise, our boiler's never gone down.
why? Because your dad.
No, he's never like touched it. I've never seen him touch it.
Yeah, but he doesn't need to. He chose the right boiler.
No.
Abo.
What, man? No. Hopefully not more.
How did you guys manage to get that? Focus. Oh. You want me to do it?
Seriously? Bring me paper.
Okay.
Empty?
Yeah, that's it.
Is it supposed to go down the thingy?
You're going to vacuum? Don't get vacuum at least. Just vacuum this while we're here.
A small vacuum.
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Well done.
But there's foam here?
No. Should still. The foam's over here anyway.
There we go.
You got it.
Now
Then
what?
2 screws at the bottom. Just screw them in. I'm gonna crop you out. I'm gonna crop you out. Come back. There's 2 screws at the bottom, and just tighten them.
Okay, where are the screws here? These?
No, they're not. There's already in there. Just come off this. There.
Where?
It's easier if you come off there.
Oh yeah.
Do this too. Right. And, just tighten them. Make sure you put the panels in, yeah. And just tighten them. Just two tights.
There you go. Now what?
Now let's make sure. That's it. That goes
What was
in.
it?
Okay, now test it.
Oh. They're warm.
Get warmer.
Right, guys, sorted this Biasi out. It wasn't. Right, guys, sorted this Biasi out. There you go. Right, guys, sorted this Biasi out. The condenser, what's it called again? Was blocked up. The condenser flue, whatever you want to call it, yeah, it was blocked up. I forgot the name of it now. Anyway, it's sorted out. It was blocked up, so the boiler wasn't firing up, and it was, you know, there was no combustion going through the fan. So sorted that out. It's all working fine now. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham boiler fix. Yo, guys, you're not in the film. Why are you panicking, bro? I'm never gonna put you. It's called cropping, you know. Yeah. So we'll come back here again, and I want a delicious.
Hello, make the money up. Mamu can walk down the aisle with dad because.
Guys, this is really nice. Very nice. Really, really nice. Thank you very much. Yeah.